Dear students, in this video, we shall solve question number 35, Standard 11 Economics, Chapter 12, Mathematical Methods for Economics. A research scholar researching the market for fresh cow milk assumes that QT is equal to F of PT, Y, A, N, PC, where QT is the quantity of milk demanded. PT is the price of fresh cow milk. Y is average household income. A is advertising expenditure on processed pocket milk. N is population and PC is the price of processed pocket milk. We have three questions here. First, let us see the answer to the first question. What does QT is equal to F, PT, Y, A, N, PC mean in words? So here, QT is the function of PT, Y, A, N, PC. When F follows by a bracket with some variables in it, it is called as the function of. Where QT is the quantity of milk demanded and the determinants of demand are PT is equal to price of fresh cow milk, Y is equal to average household income, A is equal to advertising expenditure on processed pocket milk, N is equal to population, PZ is equal to price of processed pocket milk. So like this you have to put the answer in words. Now let us see the second question. Identify the independent variables. So what are independent variables? Independent variables are those variables whose variation does not depend on that of another. In this question, we can see those two variables. Here, Y and N, that is the average household income, and N, the population, are independent variables whose variation does not depend on that of another variable. Now let us see the third question. Make up a specific form for this function. Use your knowledge of economics to deduce whether the coefficients of the different independent variables should be positive or negative. So here we have 5 variables. The independent variables, that is average household income and population, they both are actually directly proportional to the quantity demanded of cow's milk. That is, if Y and N increase, QT also increases. So when income increases, demand increases. When population increases, demand increases. So they both will take a positive coefficient. Whereas the other 3 variables, price of fresh cow milk, advertising expenditure on pocket milk, and price of processed pocket milk, they are inversely proportional to the quantity of milk demanded, because when they increase, when the price of fresh cow milk increase, or when advertising expenditure increases, and when the price of processed pocket milk increases, the demand for quantity of milk decreases. That is, if PTA and PC increase, QT decreases, and these 3 will take a negative coefficient. That is, when it is negative, it means demand decreases, and when it is positive, it means demand increases. So therefore, QT is equal to first minus PT, then plus Y minus A plus N minus PC. So then we can just bring it into one single brackets. Therefore, QT is equal to minus PT plus Y minus A plus N minus PC. I hope, dear students, you would have understood this sum. If you have any doubts, you can ask it in the comment section. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel to get new updates and also watch the earlier videos. Thank you. Happy learning.